rose this past week, and so did prices. With homes selling in just 11 median days, data indicates that the market remains consistent despite what you may be hearing on the news. It's Friday, July 29th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The shore remains in moderate demand according to showing data resources. Homes for sale rose to 1,253 for sale, with the median price up to $392,990. 83 properties are coming soon, falling from last week. 172 came to the market since last week's report, a slight rise from last week. 102 properties are temporarily off, up a few. 100 properties went under contract, down 11% from last report. 110 properties went to pending, down 4%. 166 properties, which is a 20% increase in sold properties. The highest sale this past week was in Whitman for $3,300,000. Rental inventory fell again this week to 37 for lease, but remains at $1,850 per month. Be sure to check out the overall Maryland Market Minute for additional market details. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland's Eastern Shore Report for July 29th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy the weekend.